So there are a lot of estate agents in Sheffield. Some are very long established names. But I'd had an interaction with Preston Baker on another property, and you know, I'd been quite impressed by what they'd done, so thought give them a chance. But having had them come out to do a valuation, I was really impressed by the people who I'd been in contact with and the service that they were offering. The valuer was really good. It was Hugh Snedden, and he came out, had a look around the house, assessed it, and then gave me his honest opinion. It was very easily organised and very, you know, the appointment was, you know, very easy, very comfortable.